What's going on, guys? Tom Martin here, financial advisor at Valark Financial Services. Welcome to this nice, long, extended weekend. Hope you have some great plans. Hope you get to spend some time with your family and friends. So today is Friday, and we are preparing for an amazing weekend, and I have a fireside Q&A chat for you. So lately, we've been getting a lot of great questions as to where we're seeing the economy heading in the second part of the year and beyond. Today, I'll be answering as many of those burning questions as I can in the next 4 minutes or so. So go ahead, sit back, enjoy, and let's go ahead and begin. So our first question comes from, well, I'm not going to list names, but it's, am I worried about inflation? And if so, why? And answer is absolutely. You know, the amount of government stimulus that's been delivered this recession period is 9 times greater than during the housing crisis of 2008 and 2009. I think we're all kind of concerned about the money that the government has been printing due to COVID. So yes, it does remain a concern. Next question, we have, how high are taxes going to go up? So answer is definitely higher than they are now, and no way lower. So it's no secret that taxes are likely to be the lowest that they're going to be right now. And my guess is that corporate taxes will go from 21 to 25%. If I had to guess, the capital gains tax rate, that it's going to go up from 20 to about 28%. And the highest income tax bracket is probably going to go up from 37 to 40%. Next question, is the stock market overvalued? So it's frothy, can't deny that. Not necessarily overvalued though. So typically valuations run high, like way high before a big pullback. And we're not really kind of appearing to be there right now. Plus, where are you going to put your money to get any kind of return? Also, judging by how bonds have been performing and will continue to perform, portfolios are going to call for more equities in them. So more on this in a little bit. Next question, will the government do anything about the nation's ever increasing debt? So not anytime soon, unfortunately. We've been asking this question for quite a few years, and we're likely not to get any kind of answers until interest rates start to rise. Since it's so cheap to borrow right now, the government is going to go ahead and take advantage of that. Next question, is the 60-40 stock to bond allocation dead? So it's not dead, it's just not quite as effective. Since bonds are paying near zero, there's major concerns and fears amongst retirees that they can't just get enough income. You know, we're using the phrase that the 75-25 is the new 60-40, which means you need more equities for growth in this near zero interest rate environment. When will interest rates go up? Probably soon. We're expected rates to start increasing by the end of this year. There's been a lot of pressure to kind of clamp down on inflation with all the stimulus spending. So pretty soon. Next question, does crypto have a spot in my portfolio? Cryptocurrency still remains to be an unregulated asset class. The absence of that regulation makes crypto a very risky investment and open to market manipulation. So this is something that we're going to continue to monitor and learn more about on the subject. However, until we see more regulation, unfortunately, cryptocurrency does not have a spot in your professionally managed portfolio. Next question, is it time for international stocks again? Probably so. You know, for the past decade, international stocks have been a huge disappointment when you compare them to the United States. However, we believe that all allocation should be maintained, especially with the dollar losing value recently. So yeah, sure. Next question, what should we invest in to hedge against inflation? That's easy, equities. Throughout history, the single greatest inflation hedge over long periods of time has been stocks. Next question, can real estate keep going up? Yeah, you know, there's been a shortage of housing over the past decade, and builders just can't keep up. You know, compared to the rest of the world, real estate pricing is actually fairly healthy. You know, consumers and investors love real estate investments during these inflationary periods that we're in, and when expectations are going to be volatile in the market. Next question, any big things coming? So we're likely to see more regulation coming in the cryptocurrency space with the government being so far behind. listen, guys, they're going to want to find a way to tax this thing. So until we see that regulation, that's what I see happening down there. So that's it for the questions that I have right now. I hope that you found this video to be educational, informative, as always. If you have any questions or need anything from me or my team, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here for you. And until next time, take care. Bye.